Okay, hello everybody and welcome back. This is just going to be a really quick tip to show how to seal, a way to seal your bleeder screws on your HB Racing 8-scale shocks to keep them from leaking. Especially, it shouldn't be a big deal if you're in a bladder, but if you're in emulsion, you may tend to have them leaking because it doesn't have any kind of washer there. It's not an airtight seal. So what I do is I take just a tub of grease. In this case, I got some track power gear grease or something, just kind of a heavy grease, and dip your screw in it. You have to get it on the thread. I made a mess. So don't do it like that. Hold it with your finger. Get a little grease on the threads. When you put your screw in there, the grease will hold somewhat of a seal in there. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. That's for sure. So then just see it's got a good bit of grease on there. Just wipe that off. And I just built these shocks, so I'll go back and wash them off before I reassemble everything. So then just repeat the process. These are actually bladder shocks for my e-buggy, but still the same. Don't over tighten those and be real careful, because if you strip such a little screw, it's hell to get out. And this is going to all go outside the thread. It's not going to get up in the shock, so you can put a good bit on there and wipe it off. It'll be just fine. Anyway, there you have it. That's how I seal the bleeder screws on my shocks. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.